Hi guys, it's Byron. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Up here, I like to talk about everything relating to technology. If that's something you're interested in, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And in this video, I'll be breaking down YouTube tips, tricks, and hidden features. And also, stay tuned to the end to see my favorite tip. Other than that, open up your YouTube and let's get into it. When I learned about this one, guys, it changed my YouTube viewing forever. It is so cool and it's speed playback. So if you're watching a video on YouTube and you just want to be quicker, if you click on the three dots on the top right corner and select playback speed, you can actually make this video fast forward or slow down depending on what speed you choose. Here I'm selecting ×2 and now the video is double the speed. And likewise, if you want to slow things down in the game, just select playback speed and make it really slow, and then you can make sure you don't miss anything. So try this different speed setting out and I guarantee you end up using this way more than you ever thought. Did you know if watching YouTube video and you double tap twice in the right hand side, it actually skips 10 seconds ahead, and the same goes for left hand side. If you double tap and keep tapping, it actually multiplies the seconds and jump ahead and far in the video. So this feature is already activated, but if you wanna change the timing, just go to the settings and under settings click on general, and at the top there and under general, if you scroll down you will see here double tap to seek, and you can select how many seconds you want your video to jump forward by. So just try it now guys and see how cool. Double tap left to go back. Now I bet you guys didn't know you can actually watch YouTube videos with a VR headset. Check this one out. If you select these three dots at the top right corner and select watch in VR, and literally YouTube will change the viewing to VR. You pop this in your VR headset and I promise you it's like watching YouTube in a cinema. You can also control functions with your eyes. Did you know you can actually view YouTube in dark mode? All you need to do, you click on your icon at the top right corner and select settings. Under there you select general, then you will see turn on dark mode or off. But what's great about this, it really saves battery life and it's also softer on your eyes, so your eyes do not strain as much when this mode is on. For those who don't know or maybe not sure, Incognito basically means YouTube will not hold your search history or recommend anything based on what you have searched in the past. So if you select a profile at the top right corner, an option will appear that says turn on Incognito. So now if you go through your feed or click on the search icon, there will be no recommendations and it will remind you that your search history is paused. great little trick. If you are scrolling through your feed and see a snake or an owl, and I'm not a fan of owls and I do not want to see this video, then all you need to do is simply click those three dots and select the option not interested. YouTube will remove this video and not recommend similar videos like this in the near future. To my favorite now, that is downloading videos so that you can watch them when you're not connected to the Wi-Fi or have data. So when you click on these three dots, you simply select the option download and it actually starts downloading the video so that you can watch it when you don't have access to Wi-Fi or data. So if you are traveling on a plane or a train and you can still watch your favorite videos, you just go ahead to the library, you will see the option that says downloads, and here you will find all the videos that you have previously downloaded. Hopefully you find some of the new features helpful. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.